Hi there, my name is Chaitan and I'm a second year data science student. I'm here to show you a bit about what it's like to study data science here at Bristol, and I'm also going to show you around the Fry building, which is home to the School of Maths and where data science is based. Data science combines mathematics, computing, and statistics, and lets us apply what we know to real-world scenarios. Every time you visit a website, make a search, or share your information, you're generating data. Data science is all about making sense of that data and treating it ethically. We can use that data to create opportunities and solve problems in areas as diverse as manufacturing, finance, disaster management, and market research. Bristol is one of the UK's top 5 universities for mathematical research, and when you study here, you're part of a research-led community. Because our lecturers are experts in their fields, their research feeds directly back into what you're learning. One week, you might be working with a theoretician to understand a machine learning algorithm. The next, with an applied data scientist on predicting an epidemic. Most of our lectures take place in one of the big lecture theatres here. It's amazing when these fill up, and you're surrounded by all your course mates. All of my lectures are recorded, which is really useful if I want to go over any parts of the lecture again. At Bristol, we have lots of flexibility in our course choices. We have the option to switch to a year in industry, and in our final year, there are lots of optional units we can choose from. The Fry building is a really open and lovely space to be in. It's a great place to study, and it has all the key facilities that we need. This is the downstairs study area, and it's a nice place to sometimes meet your course mates in between lectures, or hang out, just study and eat. Here in our computer labs, students develop coding, data, and software skills. Our course is tailor-made to help us build a toolkit of essential and advanced skills that employers are looking for. These include things like linear modeling, algorithms, and machine learning. It's great that you don't need to have any previous coding experience, so I'm actually learning new things from the ground up and don't have to worry about catching up. In our final year, there could be the opportunity to work together on group projects that allow us to learn and use cutting-edge algorithms on large datasets to tackle real-world problems set by our industry partners. Data science is a growing field with a large demand for people who can interpret and analyze large datasets. The programs here have everything you need for a career. We have a dedicated placements officer who gives us plenty of opportunities to interact with industry professionals and learn more about where a data science degree might take us. I'm considering taking a year in industry myself, thanks to Alice's support and encouragement. It's a great opportunity to see how I apply what I've been learning to a real job and build professional connections.
We work with a growing number of partners in industry, from LV, Nationwide, and BT to Ultraleap and Melbourne Analytical. Our partners join workshops, talks, and events to showcase the opportunities they have available to our students, including the year in industry. I help our data science students by highlighting the opportunities and support available to them from the university, our partners, and beyond. My role is to help our students secure the best possible year in industry placements.
One of the best things about studying data science here at Bristol is the community. We're a smaller cohort, so all of the data science students really get to know each other, but you also get all the benefits of interacting in a larger, vibrant community too, as part of the School of Mathematics. The Fry building is ideally placed at the centre of campus, with places to study and socialise all around you. One of the main libraries that I use is the Arts and Social Sciences Library, just up the hill on Tyndall Avenue, which has all of the textbooks that I need and extra space to study. Over there is the Careers Service, where you can get extra advice and support on planning for your future. And just opposite is the Royal Fort Gardens. It's a lovely green space in the middle of the campus, where we spend a lot of time in the summer. Over here is Senate House, where there is a great cafe on the ground floor, and lots more space to eat lunch or meet up with friends. And that's the end of our tour. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in Bristol very soon.